Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Google Sheets. So, first you have to log into your Google account. You go to your apps, then you go to Google Drive. You click on this icon, and it'll bring you to this page. Once you're on this page, you press New. It'll bring this up, and then you just click on Google Sheets, and then it'll bring you to this page, which looks very similar to Excel. So I'm just gonna add a title. So there it is, and just like on Google Docs, um, everything automatically saves, so you don't ever have to worry about saving anything. It'll just save automatically. It'll save all your changes. So these are all the icons that you have here, and just like on the docs, you can share and you can comment. So first I'm just gonna type in some stuff to average. Mac Fenty L'Oreal Decay or Maybelline CoverGirl. Okay, so that's just a few. So I'm just gonna make up price, keep it very simple. So we're gonna do 20, 30, 15, 10, 12, 16, and 40. Okay, so once you have all of your data in your sections, you just highlight that and you can filter it. So we're gonna create a filter, and then you go here to functions, you press the drop down, and then you can press average, and it'll average it for you. So I'm gonna press average and just click here, and then this is the average of all of these together. So if you change one, of course it's gonna, if you change one to less, of course it's gonna go down. If you make one more, of course it's gonna go up. So just like that. And down here you can add a sheet, and if you click on this, it'll let you view all the sheets that you have on one page, and then this is just a sheet. So that's basically it. That's pretty much how you navigate through Google Sheets.